Chicken Coop and Urban Farm Tour. That looks like a farm.
Are you ready for the tour?
Yeah, let's get it on. What we have here is a seed collection facility and fruit, blueberries, excuse me. Old celeriac, we're collecting seed. And as you can see all the way down the street, we're selecting or saving carrot seeds. These are the kiwi and hops growing. Back there is fava bean seed collection. We ate the other half fresh. They were so good. All right, come with me. Everywhere you'll notice strawberries along paths, snack fruit. More seed collection. Swiss chard.
What's that
Good
growing?
morning. What?
What are those vines?
Hardy kiwi in the distance and hops. Tettnang and the mystery hops. This is a polyculture in this section with garlic, onions, carrots, buckwheat, squash, sunflowers. What else? Castor bean, poppies, ryegrass. You name it, it's in there. Volunteer squash and amaranth here, there, and everywhere.
What's this plant?
That's a castor, like a castor bean. Not for rhizome protection, creation, just because the plant is gorgeous. We've had 3, and there are 2 or 3 more left on the tree. One year we'll have really good production. What? The tree is alive, and who's ever heard of peaches in Seattle? It's crazy. So this is another polyculture of chickpeas and beets, and dahlia, ryegrass, calendula. Yeah, but those beets grow really nicely because they're nice and shaded. The chickpeas, this is a very sunny spot. And of course, more seed production.
Cool.
Here, this is the cornfield. Last year it was down where the fava beans were. This year we've moved it up. Carrots, parsnips, beets, arugula, sunflowers. Carrots, what else is in here? Random flowers. Favorite mammoth sunflowers. They're going to be massive this year.
Are there any worms in there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's what we like to see. Tell me about the roof.
Oh. Well, that's a green roof, and it's not completely covered yet. It's still trying to fill in. That it's a base of wood chips, some little bit of gravel. What else? That's about it. Chickens and hens and succulents and some low growing thyme. Oh, look at it. Honeybee just landed on the stuff on the green roof. The bumblebee is up there. Awesome! Another habitat for the bees. This is the espalier, the pear and apple trees. We have a few pears, but that's all the fruit this year because it was a bad year for rain. Rain at the wrong time. Oh, next year. Okay, this is the next tier in the garden with sunflowers and some spinach and kale growing over there, beans, and this year the ones on the poles are all scarlet runners. We have no green beans this year. We're focusing on dry beans. Ooh, although look, we've got some good beans in here. We're growing, trying a new variety of Carol Depp, Grex, for dry beans. And there's some more garbanzo beans buried over there somewhere. Strawberries and fuchsia and hosta, various things. It's a nice little spot. And Rayner's spinner. And the asparagus trees. Awesome. This level isn't done yet. Eventually we'll finish it with an urbanite patio. Our grapes will be trellised on a nice trellis that Rachel is making for us. Not a trellis, an arbor. The bees are busy.
Whoa, they sure are.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Wow, awesome. Careful.
We better get out of here.
Yeah. And there's the black popcorn. Our second set of corn. It's doing great in that box. And the quince tree, which we actually have quince fruit this year. A couple of them.
Yeah. It's funny that they start out so fuzzy.
Arbequina. So it produces these wonderful little olives that, I mean,
they're too
theoretically can be produced in the Northwest, so we'll see. Bumblebees love lavender. There's some kind of striped snail.
Colorful, but a snail nonetheless.
So the currants, they were a little questionable this year.
Yeah, I think they were too dry.
My dahlias. I love these dahlias. Bishop White. Is that what they're called? And more beans, more dry beans. Just tried to chuck them in wherever we could. They're doing well here in the wild space.
Yeah.
Better than just about everything else. No way! We have our first sea berry. I can't believe that. Where did that come from? OMG.
All right.
Oh, one.
Well,
One means there will be more. Unbelievable.
awesome.
Yeah. I didn't see that coming.
This one is doing well. Our little
Experiment and propagation of
fig
figs.
cutting, yeah.
Yeah.
How
it's
old
doing
is it
really
now?
well.
2 years?
2 years.
2 years, yeah. So it'll be planted out this fall. Oh, another castor plant. Oh.
And more artichoke and kale there. This is our mixed heat. This is a really hot bed, so we call it the stone bed. It's got peppers, basil, eggplants, grapes, boobies. Yeah. We have our little bay leaf tree in the corner, which is
Oh.
doing really well. And we have grapes on our grapevines. It's pretty awesome. They're growing. Look at them. They great. See?
Hopefully more in the years to come, but
Well, there will be
it's a good start.
Once the arbor is constructed, well, it's put up later this summer.
Nice.
Yeah, that's the garden. Or the urban farm.